Sleek and timeless is what describes this beautiful white home sitting on 2 acres in Henry County, Georgia. 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and over 3,400 square feet. You cannot beat this traditional design. Y'all are gonna like this tour. Come on in, let's see it. As soon as you come in, you have this big living room, lots of space to put your formal living room or office, whatever you want. Gotta note the large windows as well. Coming through this way, we have a full bathroom, and then bedroom number 1 for guests on the first level. Another good thing about this bedroom is you can get right into the bathroom that way, and then we have a standard closet right here. So we come out into the open living area. Absolutely gorgeous 2-story living room. Now this is where you can see the square footage in this home. This large space with all the light pouring in, and then we head this way and there's plenty of room for your eat-in kitchen right here. Right through this door, you have a covered patio with a ceiling fan, looking over your private backyard. And then here we have this kitchen with custom cabinets. Really, really gorgeous. And then right this way, you have your walk-in pantry. And then through that door, you have the 2-car garage. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but here's another way to get upstairs back here, but I want to show you the dining room first. Before we pass another closet and yet another closet. So this house has plenty of storage. And now we're in the formal dining room. And I have to note, yet again, these large windows. They almost go to the floor, y'all. Very nice. Now let's head upstairs to see the rest of the bedroom. So as soon as you come upstairs, we have bedroom number 2. Nice standard size bedroom, but it also has a walk-in closet and a full bathroom. Can't beat that. So right across the hall from this room, you have the primary. You have your tray ceiling and an additional sitting area. So a lot you can do in this big, wide space. Heading into the ensuite. Love the vaulted ceiling in here. And it's just very traditional, simple, and sleek. So coming out of the primary, we have 2 additional secondary bedrooms to see and another full bath, but I have to show y'all this catwalk as you come down the hall. Also here you have your laundry room. This way we have bedroom number 4. We have a full bathroom right here. And finally, bedroom number 5, another standard bedroom and a standard closet. Right now, this home is offering a great incentive for closing costs. So if you're interested, give me a call. You cannot beat 2 acres, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and over 3,400 square feet. I'll see you the next home.